Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A huge welcome to all the attendees, viewers, our industry professionals, and all. I'm Sana Jawad Khan, and I'm joining. Thanks for joining us again. And as you know, the session that we conduct each week is about issues pertaining to the COVID-19 situation. The COVID-19 pandemic is by far the biggest challenge that our generation has faced, and it's facing rather. So, and though we're trying to get used to the new normal, things are normalized phase by phase. इसकी भी news आ रही हैं, but it is certain that it'll impact the coming few years, and we'll spend it differently. So of course, this means that marketers have a challenge at hand, and things need to be done differently. So therefore, the topic that we've chosen for today is marketing in the times of Corona, and our special guest for today is the dynamic Mr. Umar Abedin, who's the Group Chief Marketing Officer at Emarat Group, which includes Emarat, Grana.com, Agency 21, and PropSure. He's also the director of Founders Institute, which is a pre-seed startup accelerator. And uske alawa, he's also the ex-director of Starcom Media West. So he's having managed consumer durable brands. Just welcome Umar to our interview series. How are you, Umar?
For having me here, Sana.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. So how are you? How are things at Grana.com, and how are you managing the lockdown? How's it going on your end?
Well, I mean, the lockdown in Islamabad has been, I think, a little lighter than the one in Karachi. Our teams have been basically working from home for some time and are now beginning to come back to the office. Although some of the teams like marketing and development, for example, have the flexibility to continue working from home. So we're working through this.
Interesting. Umar, we have registrations here. We have participants and questions from our registrants. They share their concerns on the registration form, which revolve primarily around how things are different now. So coming to the core, before Corona times were all about going to the grocery store, आप mall भी जा रहे हैं, restaurant भी जा रहे हैं, commute भी कर रहे हैं, cinema भी जा रहे हैं, school, college, university भी जा रहे हैं. But social distancing and remote work it's the only solution right now. So consumer behavior and buying patterns have been different as a result. So पहले कुछ महीनों पहले से अभी situation बिल्कुल different है. There's a lot of panic buying भी हुई है. Some people that have stocked stuff. There's more people that are opting for home cooked food. I mean, these are things that we learn from, what we see on social media. Then there's like a general avoidance of luxury shopping, and there's restrictions that are set to redefine travel, tourism, or hospitality ka landscape कहते हैं पूरा change हो जाएगा, because it's movement is going to be limited. So therefore, shopping online भी ज़्यादा लोग करने लगे, especially essentials की. And on the other hand, luxury goods की shopping में एक decrease आया है. So of course, some sectors have been hit more than the others. Some are barely surviving, some are absolutely uncertain, some are having a great boost in their business because, say, for instance, grocery store, people stocking up means they need to they're making profit out of it, so they need to restock their shelves faster than they would. So given the current climate, do you think is there a need in products and services?
So I think that's the big question, right? You're absolutely right. The world that we live in today is volatile. It's ambiguity in our daily lives. क्या मैं ये कर सकता हूँ? That's a question that's being asked. Should I be doing this right now? Should I put this off? Mindsets, behaviors are different because of Corona. The recession that is expected to, go on for some time, perhaps globally. Social distancing is a reality. Working from home is a reality. So these are all, if you had gone back to even January and you'd asked people about any of these four things, they would have looked at you like you were completely insane.
Yeah. Things are like drastically evolved in just a couple of months.
Exactly. So, everything that we are thinking and doing now is evolving every day. So, but there is a bigger question, right? So how should brands actually respond in this crisis? And I think this is a really topical and quite important discussion to have, because in a crisis, people look to brands that they trust. And that's really one of the characteristics of brands, right? The trust factor.
Right.
When things are uncertain, when things are unknown and unclear, you fall back on those things that you know. That's not the time when you start experimenting. Ki chalo yaar, let me try this brand of household cleaning product, or let me try that brand. No, nahi bhai, yehi wala theek hai. मैं तो डेटॉल का मतलब ग्राही हूँ, तो मैं तो डेटॉल ही लूंगा, या मैं लाइफबॉय की तरफ मैं खेलता हूँ, तो मैंने तो लाइफबॉय लेना है. Along with that, the American Association of Advertising Agencies recently did a survey, and they found that 43% of respondents in the survey actually said that they found messages from brands that they know and they love reassuring. So they want that reassurance. And then another 40% said that they want to know what brands are doing in response to the pandemic. So the way that you might look at it is that people actually want to hear from brands that they know and love. And this is not the time that they will necessarily go out and experiment with new brands, but this is an opportunity for brands to build that affinity and that trust to another level. Now, if you look at the flip side of this, if a company cuts their investment in marketing by, let's say, 50%, right, until this pandemic is over, and let's say that the pandemic and its effects last for 6 months, it might take that brand up to 2 years to gain back the share that they've lost during this time. And if you actually continue to advertise, continue to communicate in a meaningful way, the company can actually gain 3 times more market share in the first 2 years after the recovery starts. So there are actual statistics that back up a wise marketing investment. And I'm not saying just continue to do business as usual, although in some cases that might actually work. But another study, actually, I'm sorry, I'm just referring to this, Kantar estimates that a 6-month absence in your marketing might result in a 40% reduction in brand awareness. And in marketing, what we say is कि जो दिखसी वो बिकसी, right?
Yeah.
अगर लोगों को आपके brand का ख्याल ही नहीं आएगा, and during the pandemic, other brands are communicating effectively with them and establishing a relationship with them, then the recovery in the post-pandemic world will take that much longer. So there is a real opportunity here for brands to build affinity, build engagement, build brand trust. And at the same time, for those companies that have marketing budgets, because of, the fact कि नहीं यार अभी कुछ नहीं करना है, वो जो डर आ जाता है, खौफ आ जाता है कि नहीं अभी पैसे मत लगाओ यार, अभी पैसे नहीं लगाओ, पीछे हो जाओ, पैसे बचाओ, देखो कहाँ निकलेंगे. And this is actually, I think, more of a problem in Pakistan, where a lot of companies, a lot of leaders tend to have a very from now or 2 years from now, they're saying कि भाई ये quarter निकालो. In fact, some people I've spoken to are like, यार भाई ये महीना निकल जाए यार, तनख्वाहें निकल जाएं, उसके बाद अभी marketing की बातें मत करें. And that's fine. Now, look, if you're really struggling to the point where you're struggling to pay salaries, then I would say your number one commitment is to your employees.
Shows your people.
Pay them on time. वो जो हमारे यहाँ सुन्नत भी है ना बहुत बड़ी, कि जो मजदूर होता है उसको उस वक्त पैसे दें इससे पहले कि उसका पसीना सूखे. So don't, there are companies that have not paid their employees for the last 2 months. काम करवा रहे हैं उनसे, वो बेचारा जो मुलाजिम है वो भी मजबूर है, he's stuck. वो क्या करेगा?
Holding on to the jobs that they have.
वो कह रहा है यार किसी तरीके से ये टाइम निकल जाए तो शायद सेठ पैसे दे देगा. So there are so many facets to this discussion. that it's I think people need to take a longer term view of building a brand and maintaining a business, sustaining and growing a business.
All right. So, given ये जो आपने भी scenario की बात करी, and in the context of that, we've seen a lot of organizations. They have we see more CSR activities these days because, of course,
Yes.
the need of the hour. So, in the current scenario, so organizations have seemingly amped up their CSR budgets. But like you said, marketing budgets are essentially important too because you need to have that presence out there, or the customer would forget about out of sight, out of mind wali cheez. So what do you think should be the ratio between the two, between the CSR spending and marketing communication spending, given each has its own sets of benefits for the organization? How do you strike that balance?
So this is an interesting one. I think that provided it's done with the right intentions and with the right niyat, actually has a lot of benefits for society and for the company as well. मुझे challenge उस वक्त आता है जब companies start doing CSR activities for the sake of doing CSR activities. कि जी हमने 50 लोगों को खाना खिला दिया और फिर उसकी जो है ना खबरें छप रही होती हैं और उसके इर्द गिर्द जो है पूरी कम्युनिकेशन बन रही होती है. I think that's fine, but please understand, CSR in my view should be done for the impact that it creates in society, in the community. If you can, start with your own employees, get them involved in CSR, get them to understand the social impact that your company can have on the community at large. And by the way, 77% of consumers in a recent research also say that the brand that I subscribe to, that I trust, should talk about how the brand is helpful in this new normal that we're. They also want to hear about the brand's efforts to help the situation. Now, here's the thing. Not all brands are, जो आपने शुरू में बात की ना, कि not all brands are impacted equally by this indirectly indirect impact. So, for example, जो beauty segment है या luxury segment, इन लोगों के लिए कुछ जाके, you know, we're going to save the world doesn't make sense. So the kind of messaging that they have should probably be different. जो second category जिसको हम बोलेंगे वो adjacent category है, जिसके अंदर आपके जो stay at home content है, relevant retail वाले जो हैं, बहुत सारे retail segments में, grocery में आपने बात की, pharmacy हो गई, and anything to do with connectivity. तो इस वक्त तो Zoom के तो 4 चांद लग गए हैं ना, हम भी इस वक्त Zoom पे हैं.
Nobody knew Zoom existed a few months ago.
By Netflix in the last 1 quarter has added 15 million subscribers.
Yeah.
Right?
Disney Plus, and not just Netflix, there's Disney Plus also. That's
Disney
also
Plus तो खैर 50 million subscriber add कर दिए in the last 1 quarter. और पूरी दुनिया को हिला दिया उन्होंने. But they were going to do that regardless. उनका तो मतलब वो तो उनका launch था, and that launch just happened to coincide with the pandemic. तो उनके तो वो जैसे आप समझे ना, rocket उनका take off कर रहा था, उसके नीचे 4 turbo booster लग गए उसके नीचे, तो वो तो बिल्कुल छत फाड़ के निकल गए आगे.
So we have brands like these also.
Absolutely, which are absolutely able to leverage and you know, actually act on this.
Yeah.
And then last category, and probably the most important category, is what we call the essentials. जिसके अंदर आपकी groceries आ गई, cleaning supplies आ गई, financial services आ गई with economic relief. These are all crisis based, right? So अब के can have messaging going on in different ways, right? So the indirect group could have community-based messaging. कि जी, we are all in this together. You know, हम साथ बाहर आएंगे इसमें से. जो adjacent category है, they can talk about need-based stuff. कि जी, आपको अपने family के साथ connection में रहना है, Skype है, Zoom है, you know, फलानी WhatsApp है. God bless WhatsApp. और essential category में तो खैर, you know, Lifebuoy हो गया, Dettol हो गया, हर किस्म का हैंड सैनिटाइजर हो गया. इस वक्त मेरा ख्याल है 50 ब्रांड्स ऑफ हैंड सैनिटाइजर अवेलेबल है. कुछ जो हैं वो 140 रुपए में बिक रहे हैं जिन्होंने अपनी प्राइस मेंटेन की हुई है, एंड देयर सेइंग नहीं, हम प्राइस गाउजिंग नहीं करेंगे. और कुछ लोग हैं वही 140 रुपए की बोतल 300 रुपए में बेच रहे हैं, राइट? बिकॉज वो बेच सकते हैं, उनको एक ज़रूरत दिख गई है। यूएस में टॉयलेट पेपर, आपने देखा होगा, वो टॉयलेट पेपर के ऊपर लोग लड़ रहे हैं। एक मीम चल रहा था कि जी मेरे पास एक 12 रोल का टॉयलेट पेपर अवेलेबल है, अगर किसी को अपना घर वर बेचना हो तो मुझे बताए, मैं आपको टॉयलेट पेपर दे सकता हूँ। यू नो, आई वाज अ बिट ऑफ अ जोक, 2 बेडरूम हाउस के लिए मैं टॉयलेट पेपर के 12 रोल देने के लिए तैयार हूँ। तो आपके ब्रांड का रोल क्या है, और वो बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो मेरे हिसाब से अगर आप CSR कर रहे हैं, इट नीड्स टू फिट विद द रोल ऑफ योर ब्रांड इन दिस पैंडेमिक। डूइंग CSR फॉर द सेक ऑफ, अगर आप देखें, अगर आप कार खैर के लिए कर रहे हैं ना, आप सैलानी में, रॉबिनहुड आर्मी में, आप TCF में, लोगों के घरों में आप राशन पहुंचा रहे हैं, उसको आप खामोशी से करें। There's no need to, I mean, unless your company people are getting involved, employees are going out, and then you do a drive around that, you have a nice social media campaign, फलानी बस्ती में हमने 600 लोगों को खाना खिलाया. Well, that's great. That's team building. That's employer branding. That's fine. But, जो भाई हमने 50 डब्बे खरीद के हमने सैलानी में पहुंचा दिए, अच्छा यार, ठीक है, बड़ी मेहरबानी कि आप इतनी बड़ी कंपनी है, बिलियंस का आपका टर्नओवर है, आपने 5,000 रुपए के डब्बे पहुंचा दिए. Why are you telling people about that? So it's a very, I think, I won't give a percentage of 90-10 or 80-20. I would say every brand has to have common sense, they have to be relevant, and they have to be they have to recognize the situation that people are in.
And be mindful of what their brand is and what they're
Absolutely,
doing, and how
absolutely.
there's a synergy between the two.
Bilkul.
All right. Acha, Umar, we also received a number of questions or registration form through people shared beforehand. And, they commented on various marketing efforts that they did. They said, I mean, they did some, changes in their brand strategy. They said the target market did not respond properly. And on top of that, like you said, there have been budget cuts also. And businesses themselves, they're facing a range of issues. Like you also mentioned, कि वो payroll के issues हैं और चीजें हैं बहुत सारी. And on top of that, payment cycles भी disturb हुए हैं. कुछ जैसे लोग जो credit पे चलते हैं, तो वो, if one thing doesn't happen, there's like a hierarchy of events that follows.
Yes.
So payment cycle का भी एक मसला है. Then marketing channels have been disturbed. So if you talk about the famous 4 P's of marketing, how can marketers use to power through this scenario? Say, what should they do about pricing given purchase power is decreasing and there aren't that many places to market their products? So how should the 4 P's evolve?
Okay, so I think that's a very interesting way of structuring the discussion. तो अगर हम शुरू करें communication से, right, promotion, तो I think यहाँ पे बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है कि messaging को reprioritize किया जाए. So, for example, I'll give you examples of companies. Unilever is focusing on brands that have a role to play in providing solutions and reassurance to consumers. तो उन्होंने जो है ना, for example, Lifebuoy को लेके, चाय को लेके, they're creating messaging around reassurance कि जी हम आपके साथ हैं, आप बिल्कुल फिक्रमंद ना हो, we are with you. And they have not really scaled back on their advertising or their promotion in any way. Same with Nestle. Nestle ने क्या कहा है कि भाई अपनी फैमिली को साथ करें और मैगी और जो Nestle का जो स्वीट एंड कंडेंस्ड मिल्क है उनके साथ मिलके कुछ कुक करें, cook together as a family. So bringing people together. और फिर Nescafe ने भी messaging अपनी tweak कर दी है. Instead of saying social connections, they made it social connectivity. So all of these brands are changing things. अब एक पेंट्स का ब्रांड है जोटन, I'm sure you've heard of it. They've taken a more personalized approach, and what they're talking to consumers about is कि जी देखें, आपने जो है ना अपना होम ऑफिस तो बनाना है, आपने अपना एक environment, एक माहौल तो बनाना है, तो why don't you choose a color that reflects your personality, so that when you're sitting on a Zoom call, you're not sitting against a blank white wall like I am right now. And it's
or the virtual backgrounds. The absolutely funny virtual background.
जी जी, वो तो खैर Zoom और इन लोगों ने introduce किया हुआ है. So there is, I think there's a tremendous opportunity to reprioritize the way that brands are talking to each other. And the other thing related to communication or promotion is कि आप ये डिसाइड कर लें कि आपको अपने टाइमलाइन में कहाँ की बात करनी है. Are you going to talk about the now, and are you going to talk about later? So if you're talking about now, then you're talking about the situation we are in right now. And so you need a very concrete message. You need to speak directly to a specific audience, and you need to give them, maybe survival tips. इस तरह cleaning surfaces की cleaning इस तरह होती है, घर की hygiene इस तरह होती है, social distancing इस तरह maintain करते हैं. So they're talking about the now. And then there are other brands that are talking about later. They're talking about coming out of the pandemic. And so, you've got brands like Nike, there's so many inspirational, aspirational brands that are saying, you know what, I know we're alone, but we're not alone. We're all in this together, and we're going to come out of this, way stronger. So use this time, become your better self. The workouts that you were missing, do those workouts at home. You don't have any excuse. You're not busy.
The time in the world.
Well, that I think that's a bit of a fallacy, because with all the time in the world comes this pressure as well. So people are interacting like we are at 10:30 at night.
Yeah. Which on a thought about this?
On a normal weekday would not really be happening, right? Yeah. So depending on the situation, I think there are lots of interesting opportunities and strategies for communication that that brands can take on. Now let's move on to the second P, which is product. Well, this is the time to invest in product development. This is the time to get to know your customers really, really well, because we said that customers are in a volatile state. This is a time where new needs are emerging. How many brands are talking to their customers and saying, hey, hi, Miss Shela, or Mr. Taimur, how are you doing? Is there something in your life that we can help you with? What is going on in your life? Please, what your day looks like. It's called a DILO exercise, day in the life of, where you actually go and spend time, or now you do it, virtually, but you ask customers. And from that comes out product ideas. There are ideas that could, revolve around this whole social distancing, the non-contact, changing the way that business is done. So for example, are there financial products that can be developed to drive this non-contact revolution further? So एक example है, there's a new company launching in Pakistan called SadaPay. I saw a little while ago, and their vision is to create a truly digital bank. It's absolutely tremendous. जितने इस वक्त financial institutions हैं, आप अगर बैंक खुदा ना खास्ता अगर आपको जाना पड़ जाए किसी वजह से, आप जाके देखें कि वहाँ हालात क्या हैं. लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या करें. किसी ने वहाँ पे हैंड सैनिटाइजर रखा हुआ है, किसी ने मास्क लगाया हुआ है, कुछ लोग 3 फुट दूर खड़े हुए हैं, कुछ लोग आपके कंधे के ऊपर आके खड़े हुए हैं. आप हबीब बैंक के बाहर जाके लाइन देखें, अंदर बैंक के 3 फुट के फासले रखे हुए हैं. बैंक के बाहर 50 फुट लंबी लाइन है जिसके अंदर 50 आदमी खड़े हुए हैं गर्मी के अंदर. भैया आप उनको बैंक के अंदर नहीं आने दे रहे हैं, मगर बैंक के बाहर तो वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर सांस ले रहे हैं ना. So, there is this whole opportunity for product development in this area. The second one is the home office. How many products are necessary to run a proper professional home office, so that you don't look like you're, Jack sitting in a chair. You've got weird backgrounds. पीछे से लोग गुजर रहे हैं. चिड़ियों की आवाज आ रही है, टीवी चल रहा है, बच्चों के चीखने की आवाज आ रही है, कुत्ते बिल्ली आगे पीछे जा रहे हैं. So how do you create this new home office, and what are the products required in this new office? And then last but not least, of course, is your stay-at-home entertainment area. So इस वक्त anything that you can do to entertain people at home. YouTube की viewing छत फाड़ के निकल गई है. Facebook वीडियो की viewing मतलब इस वक्त घंटों में viewing हो रही होगी जिनके पास इंटरनेट है, और जिनके पास नहीं है वो दूसरों से चोरी कर रहे होते हैं. हमारे घर में आई हैव टू चेंज माय वाईफाई एवरी 3-4 days, बिकॉज हमारे जितने हेल्पर्स हैं जो हमारे घर में नहीं काम करते हैं, हमारे घर के बाहर काम करते हैं, वो हमारे घर के बाहर आके बैठ जाते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे घर के बाहर दरख्त लगे हुए हैं और बेंच बनी हुई है, तो वहाँ आके बैठ के हमारे वाईफाई को हैक करते हैं, और मेरा वाईफाई जो है अचानक ये करके नीचे स्लो हो जाता है. So how about ways to improve their connectivity? How about ways to get them products and services that they can actually leverage because they need it. They know they need it. They just haven't been able to access it for now. So I think on the product side, you've got so many opportunities. Kareem ne abhi 536 log nikale hain. Sare non-technical staff बेचारे. Well, I would say 99% of them are non-technical staff. They've kept their core technical team because they want to develop product during this pandemic, so that when the ride-hailing business comes back, they have new and improved products and services that they can offer with, focus and clarity. So I'm not talking about the people that were laid off. My heart goes out to them. I know many of them. I'm doing what I can to help many of them find new roles, and if nothing else, giving them guidance and counseling. But at the end of the day, Careem as an entity has to survive, and therefore they're focusing on the one thing that they know that will help them survive. So product में तो I think बहुत opportunities हैं. फिर आप आ जाएं pricing पे. Pricing जो है ना बड़ा dodgy है. पाकिस्तान में आपको 2, 3, 4 किस्म के लोग मिलेंगे. एक वो बंदा है जो कहता है यार जितना माल अवेलेबल है ना मार्केट में सब खरीद लो, एक गोदाम में डालो और उसको अपनी मर्जी की कीमत पे बेचो उसके बाद. और ये हमने देखा है, जो पैनिक बाइंग की हम बात कर रहे थे पहले. People have hoarded disinfectant. चंद दिनों के लिए डिसइंफेक्टेंट ही नहीं मिल रहा था दुकान में. फिर दुकानों ने करना शुरू किया, भाई एक बंदे को एक डिसइंफेक्टेंट की बोतल देंगे एक वक्त में. ग्लव्स नहीं मिल रहे थे, राइट. मास्क नहीं मिल रहे थे. अभी तो रमजान भी चल रहा है, तो कुकिंग ऑयल, आटा, sabzi, these are things that are staples, and they have been hard pressed. People have been hard pressed to get access to them. तो एक तरफ ये एक्सट्रीम है प्राइसिंग की कि जी चलो मैक्सिमाइज योर प्रॉफिट, किसी भी तरीके से जो है ना कुछ भी कर लो. और दूसरी तरफ हमने वो लोग देखे हैं जो अपनी सर्विसेज फ्री में दे रहे हैं. उन्होंने कहा यार जैसे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने किया है, अब उनका भी दिल बड़ा है, दिमाग ज़्यादा बड़ा है. उन्होंने सोचा है कि भाई 6 महीने के लिए फ्री एक्सेस दे दो और उसके बाद जो है अल्लाह मालिक है, उसके बाद तो वो फिर हमारे ही हो जाएंगे. उसके बाद सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल पे तो आना ही पड़ेगा. बट फॉर नाउ इट इज़ प्लेइंग वेरी वेल. People are using their products and services for free. Zoom का भी एक free version available है, Skype का भी free version available है. मेरा ये ख्याल है कि अगर आपका एक business है जो चल रहा है, आपकी sales आ रही हैं, there is a consideration that you should give to the break even during this time.
And still like powering through it and surviving with like minimal
just
profit.
Survive with your cost base as it is, cover your costs, bring the product price down if it will make a difference, and make that product more widely available. Or take the money that you're saving from there and put it into CSR. Citizens Foundation को जाके आप partnership कर लें उनके साथ कि जी हम जो है अपने 5% of our proceeds of everything that we do in this year, we will donate to the Citizens Foundation. Now that is something that will pay off in the long term when people find out, अच्छा यार आप लोग तो 3 स्कूल चलाते हैं. अब वो आपके लिए एक CSR का एक असली मौका है. आपके एम्प्लॉइज जाएं TCF में, बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करें, उनके आउटिंग्स पे लेके जाएं, उनको अपनी फैक्ट्री में बुलाएं. ये सब हो रहा है. बट दिस इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर कंपनीज टू एक्चुअली फिगर आउट कि is this the time for me to be maximizing my profits? I don't think so. This is just my personal point of view. However, there are companies that that are actually going too far in the opposite direction. They're charging way too much money for their products and services because they think yaar chandni lag gayi hai, fayda uthao. Right? So pricing is a very very touchy subject anyway in Pakistan. बहुत कम लोग इसके ऊपर ज़्यादा बात करना पसंद करते हैं. अब आ जाएं प्लेस के ऊपर. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, उफ इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. सबसे बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी तो ई-कॉमर्स, ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी. मैंने घर पे इतने राइडर्स मेरे घर पे नहीं आए इन द लास्ट 1 year जितने पिछले 1 महीने में आए होंगे. बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू गो आउट. तो वो चीज़ जिसके लिए आप खुद जाते थे, उसके लिए आप कहते हैं यार भाई चल 100 रुपये ज़्यादा दे दे, कोई मसला नहीं है, यहीं मंगवा लो. इट्स अ मैसिव अपॉर्चुनिटी. कर्ब साइड पिकअप, कि भाई आप कॉल करते हैं, वो जो दुकान है वो आपके लिए एक पैकेट बना के रखती है, आप वहाँ जाते हैं, आप हॉर्न मारते हैं, वो बंदा भागा भागा वापस आता है, आप उसको पैसे देते हैं, वो डब्बा आपकी गाड़ी में रखता है, आपने भी उससे 3 फुट का फासला रखा हुआ है, आपका काम भी हो रहा है। हर फ्रूट वाला इस पे चल रहा है, हर सब्जी वाला इस पे चल रहा है, हर कॉर्नर का किरियाना स्टोर इस पे चल रहा है। बट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू स्ट्रक्चर दिस स्पेस, बाइकिया ने जबरदस्त काम किया इस क्राइसिस के दौरान, trying to make sure that their people are not unemployed, that their people are actually making money, working with the government, working with the Sindh government, working with whoever. भाई कोई किसी तरीके से हमारे राइडर्स जो हैं वो ऑक्यूपाइड हैं, तो दिस ड्राइव्स इनोवेशन। तो आई थिंक कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में इनोवेशन के बहुत मौके हैं। जब हम प्रमोशन के अंदर एक और एरिया है विच इज़ मीडिया चैनल्स, जो आपने पहले टच भी किया था, तो there is a reprioritization happening in media by itself. तो जो आपके जो पुराने जो क्लासिक मीडिया है, आउट ऑफ होम हो गया, प्रिंट हो गया, वो थोड़ा सा अफेक्ट हुआ है इस वक्त। जो मुझे दिख रहा है वो ज़्यादातर आउट ऑफ होम खाली पड़े हुए हैं कराची में। एंड दिस इज जस्ट अ रियलिटी ऑफ पीपल पुलिंग मार्केटिंग बजट्स। मगर जो दूसरी तरफ है, आपका सोशल मीडिया हो गया, वीडियो स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स हो गए, एनी ऑडियो विजुअल मीडियम एक्चुअली जो आपके फ़ोन पे आता है, आपके टीवी पे आता है, बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव हो रहा है। तो अगर आपका बिजनेस ऑनलाइन नहीं गया है अब तक, यू हैव टू आस्क योरसेल्फ व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर। You have to be online, and you have to focus on the experience you're delivering online. So it's not just about having a rubbish website. I won't take the name of a bank, but unfortunately one of my bank partners, I have been trying to go online with them for the last, I don't know, 8 or 9 months. And finally, they did a drive on their own. They added me zabardasti into a WhatsApp group कि सर आप ये जितने भी लोग हैं इस ग्रुप में, वो सारों को हमने ऑनलाइन लेकर आना है हर हालत में। आप यकीन करें, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, to create a group of people, you're sharing my personal information with a group of strangers. Like how stupid are you? Secondly, उसका एंड रिजल्ट क्या हुआ कि मुझे फिर भी उसके बाद ब्रांच जाना पड़ा। ब्रांच के अंदर जाके रीएक्टिवेट हुआ, सब कुछ हुआ। आप यकीन करें, आज तक वो ऐप चला नहीं है मेरा, मैं लॉग ऑन ही नहीं कर सकता हूँ उस ऐप के। तो मैंने फाइनली उसको डिलीट कर दिया, और मैंने वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप भी एग्जिट कर दिया, और मैंने उनके सामने हाथ जोड़े कि मेरे भाई मुझे माफ़ कर दें, आप लोगों को नहीं आता है डिजिटल करना, मैं सादा पे का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ, इंशाल्लाह वो आएंगे तो आप लोगों को बंद कराएंगे। Do you know what I mean? So the focus on the user experience on digital is so important. अब यूनिलीवर इसमें क्या कर रहा है? They're using all these digital channels to amplify the brand message. नेस्ले का मेजर अभी तक फोकस टीवी पे है, बिकॉज उनको पता है दे आर अ मैस मार्केट। और अभी तक पाकिस्तान में अगर आपको पूरे पाकिस्तान को कवर करना है, तो यू हैव टू एक्चुअली यू हैव टू बी ऑन टीवी, बिकॉज 200 मिलियन लोग हैं, सब जो हैं वो टीवी में हैं। तो मगर बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स आर प्रायोरिटाइजिंग ई कॉमर्स एंड दे आर प्रायोरिटाइजिंग सोशल मीडिया। और इस वक्त जो है ऑब्वियसली जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं वो साइडलाइन हो गए। जनवरी तक इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल था, अब जो है वो काफ़ी हद तक साइडलाइन हो गए। सो आई थिंक दैट काइंड ऑफ कवर्स द 4 P's. I hope that gives some kind of a structure.
Thanks for the response, and it's interesting how you shared about fintech का जो एक थोड़ा सा acceptance आई है, and how some businesses have evolved, some have grown, some have tried to adapt to the current circumstances, and interestingly how it's high time that they look more into digital than before. But though, I was reading somewhere that organic traffic is still down, and but it may be ideal to pick up on consumer behavior changes and virtually engage hone ka unse this is probably the best time that they've had. But I feel there's a lot that needs to be done in Pakistan on the digital realm. Of course, this may vary whether you're talking about अगर आप fast moving consumer product के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं या consumer durable के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. But I was reading somewhere that there's a decrease in pay per click data also, because e-commerce में लोग essentials पे आ गए हैं, इतना broad नहीं है. Like say लोग probably generally इतनी ज़्यादा e-commerce की shopping नहीं कर रहे, ज़रूरी चीज़ों की shopping कर रहे हैं. आपने भी जो
नहीं,
डिलीवरी
वो तो है। तो हमने बात की थी ना कि लग्जरी और जो एडजेसेंट कैटेगरीज हैं उसके लिए तो लोग नहीं शॉप कर रहे हैं इस वक्त।
Yeah, yeah. So
फॉर श्योर।
conversions are generally down. Conversions are down for most. So what? So when we're talking about digital marketing, because it's a broad area, it's a huge opportunity altogether. So when we talk about digital marketing, what do you think are the do's and don'ts for digital marketers? So if they may sustain visibility, agar increase na bhi ho unki visibility, even if they want to sustain visibility, increase conversions to a little extent, do you think digital can really make up for the lack of physical contact with certain products? Because activations होती थी पहले जिसमें customer touch point होता था, लोग आके उसको experience करते थे product को, because it is a very valid phenomena for certain products.
जी जी।
So does it have the long-term power to make a connection between consumer or products or services? Because
So
social
I
media
I
maybe.
think, G, I think anything you do on digital right now has to be about building engagement. Because people are on digital, the only question is what are they doing on digital and how are they engaging with your brand? Because if they're not engaging with your brand, they're engaging with somebody else.
Right.
तो इस वक्त जो क्रिएटिविटी चाहिए हमें, जो आइडियाज चाहिए, इस वक्त unfortunately everything is focused around the pandemic. And I would have to say that the majority of posts that enter my feed on any of the channels that I'm on seems to be around the pandemic. आज अल्लाह का शुक्र है मदर्स डे था तो कुछ और मैसेजेस आए बड़े अच्छे किस्म के कि जी अपनी माँ की कदर करो। मेरे हिसाब से एवरी डे शुड बी मदर्स डे, बट चलें किसी एक दिन तो आप फूल ले लें अपनी वालदा के लिए। और you know my kids decided at in the middle of the night last night to bake cookies for their mother. So उन्होंने किचन तबाह कर दिया मगर कुकीज उन्होंने बना ली from scratch, from absolute scratch. I was very impressed. तो
There's a lot of people who come into the
जी
kitchen in this pandemic.
जी 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 जी। तो
Yeah.
किचन के अलग, so again digital, anything digital related to the kitchen, right? So all of these social media channels that teach you cooking or baking or fancy chefery, because at the end of the day जो माँ है who's used to ordering out at least 2-3 times a week, all of a sudden is saying यार अब मैं क्या पकाऊं?
Yeah.
मियाँ भी है, बच्चा कितने दिन आप वही तरकारी और वही भाजी और सालन या दाल चावल खिलाएंगे? So people are getting really creative. I've seen some amazing creativity coming out.
Yeah.
The other thing I've noticed is in nature. The view from my window is a hashtag that's been trending globally. भी है तो लोग शेयर कर रहे हैं कि भाई ये मेरी खिड़की से ये दिखता है, and so it's
कदर आ
just
रही है उनको.
हाँ. So I think there's a lot of opportunities in digital to be creative, build dialogue with customers. This is the time where you build a meaningful dialogue. Hello, how are you? आपकी जिंदगी में जो तबाही आई हुई है साथ हैं. अच्छा भाई मैं क्या करूं, आप मेरे साथ हैं, आप मुझसे क्या चाहते हैं? Some well-known influencers on LinkedIn have said, भाई खुदा के वास्ते, stop telling me that you're with me and just sell me something. Sell me something interesting. Sell me something interesting. कुछ तो यार, because लोग घर पे बैठे हैं, चलो यार मैं कुछ पैसे खर्च कर लूं. अगर आपके पास पैसे हैं, अगर आप इतने खुशकिस्मत हैं तो ठीक है यार, sell me something interesting. So yeah.
So you think digital can make up for the the loss?
I don't think it can make up for the loss by itself. I think that companies that are not leveraging television well right now are losing out. I think television and digital work very well hand in hand. It's a very good medium, but keep in mind, digital में total पाकिस्तान में 60-70 मिलियन लोग हैं जो डिजिटल पे हैं.
बहुत से जो हैं भी नहीं डिजिटल पे, उनके लिए दुकान
13
बंद है तो
करोड़
सब बंद है.
13 करोड़ लोग पाकिस्तान में इंटरनेट को नहीं एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, 7 करोड़ एक्सेस करते हैं. तो बाकी 13 करोड़ से भी तो बात करनी है ना आपने. या तो आपका प्रोडक्ट ऐसा है, फॉर एग्जांपल आपका डिजिटल बैंक है, तो फिर आपकी डिजिटल ऑडियंस सिर्फ है ही वो 70 मिलियन, आप उनसे बात करें. मगर अगर आप नेस्ले हैं, यूनिलीवर हैं, आप कुछ और बेच रहे हैं जो पूरा पाकिस्तान खरीदता है, इस्तेमाल करता है, दिस इज अ टाइम फॉर यू टू बिल्ड दैट emotional connection, that affinity to the brand. And just digital will not do it. It'll go a long way towards doing it, but it will not do it by itself.
but it can help you salvage whatever you have at this time and like, bridge the gap
Absolutely.
now and
देखिए, अगर आपकी मजबूरी है, आप टीवी के ऊपर पैसे नहीं खर्च कर सकते हैं, आपके पास इतने फंड्स नहीं हैं, then digital is a great way to keep that graph from going down. At least you can flatline the graph.
Right.
Stay very active on digital, engage on digital, create content quickly and repeatedly that is interesting, that people want to share, that people want to talk about, and share that with them. So I think that digital can help, but it won't stave off a 2-year decline if you're off air for 2 years or even 6 months.
Right. Actually, now since we're on the topic of digital, आप online जाएं तो there's certain brands that I personally experience more on I'd say Instagram than Facebook or elsewhere. There's some brands that need to be untouched by this. लगता है कि वो पता नहीं किसी oblivion में रह रहे हैं. They've been living under a rock. The messaging is so different from the rest in terms of like थोड़ी सी pre-corona times वाली लगती है, थोड़ी सी insensitive लगती है to the current economic climate. So what do you think should be the intricacies that brands need to take into account in messaging? I'm not saying scale back on the self-promotion because that's important, but not making it too blatant or too insensitive, I think. How do you think brands should look into this?
Well, look, I think you're absolutely right. There are some brands that are completely tone deaf. I won't name them. There is a brand.
Sectors तो name कर सकते हैं. Can we name sectors?
चले बैंक है एक, जिनके इश्तिहार में एक बंदा जो है वो ATM मशीन के इर्द गिर्द नाच रहा है और गाना बज रहा है और he is so happy to be out there dancing around this ATM and saying look at this ATM, we have this. And dude, ATMs were invented 30 years ago. You've launched an ATM machine now, but the world has had ATMs for a very long time. और ये बंदा नाच क्यों रहा है यार? मे बी अगर जनवरी में आप दिखाते नाचते हुए तो समझ में भी आती बात, मगर अब क्यों नाच रहा है? ये कोई नाचने का टाइम है? इस वक्त कौन नाच रहा है? पूरी दुनिया में मुझे कोई दिखा दे जो नाच रहा है. That they have made it through another day. So that's a different celebration that I completely respect. People who are tired, who are exhausted, who are completely on the verge of mental and physical breakdown, they're dancing as a release of stress.
To boost their spirits after like
I get that. I want to dance with them. I would want to dance with them. But then what message are you sending to the general man on the street right now? So लोग अभी भी अगर आप मास्क पहन के घूमे बाहर तो there is a तबका in our society who looks at you like this कि क्या है भाई? अभी भी लोग गले मिल रहे हैं रोडों के ऊपर, क्योंकि गले ना मिलना या हाथ मिलाना या किसी को सिंधी में कहते हैं भाकुर पाना, वो अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हैं तो बदतमीजी है ये. या पंजाबी में कहते हैं ना झप्पी लेना, मतलब दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ द कल्चर. तो आप दिखा रहे हैं मगर ये एनवायरनमेंट वो नहीं है. It's not like that, right? So you have to understand the role that your brand is playing, and you have to tailor your messaging with respect to that. So if you are a brand that is directly involved in the crisis and can help with the crisis, then your messaging has to be that way. There has to be a sense of purpose, there has to be a sense of mission, a sense of impact.
Sense of responsibility with
exactly कि जी हम आपके साथ हैं, हम we are supporting you by doing this and this, right? और दूसरी तरफ वो brands जिनका I guess आप कह सकते हैं कि उनका कोई direct contact नहीं है, जैसे travel हो गया. अब क्या इसका ये मतलब है कि Emirates is not flying, but does that mean that Emirates is not active on social media?
They're very active now.
Of course they are, because they know this is the time that they want to keep people engaged, keep people involved. Acha yaar, Emirates, look forward to. So now, you remember when we talked about the timeline, now or later? So Emirates messaging is about later.
Nike's a hope of something good in the future.
Exactly, the inspiration. So, they've shown people working out. एक माँ है workout कर रही है और उसके ऊपर उसका बच्चा बैठा हुआ है. And she's working out furiously. वो sit-ups भी कर रही है, push-ups भी कर रही है, plank भी कर रही है और उसके ऊपर बच्चा चढ़ रहा है, लेट रहा है, लोट रहा है, And what an amazing message. Because, why are you working out? Because there will be tomorrow. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि अल्लाह ना करे कि दुनिया ही खत्म हो जाएगी, क्योंकि अगर दुनिया खत्म हो गई तो फिर हमारे सारे मसले खत्म हो जाएंगे, फिर दूसरे मसले शुरू हो जाएंगे. So the purpose of the brand, the role of the brand in the person's life, and the way that they want to talk to customers has to be very strategically thought through. It's a very important time to understand communication strategy for the brand. And this is a time when many brands should actually go back to the drawing board and relook at their brand identities and say, ki, yaar, bhai, acha, so I stand for this, this, and this, but this, and this is not 100% relevant anymore. So it's, looking at the Nescafe, सब मुझे रमजान मैसेजेस देखने कि जी वो जो in fact some brands are running ads from last year as well कि जी वो वालदा ने चपाती बना दिया, सब बैठ के इफ्तार कर रहे हैं, वाह जबरदस्त मजाक, which is fine, that's all right, that's not bad. I think it's just an opportunity lost to actually bring people even closer into your brand, to acknowledge the reality that we're living in, because वो reality की जो acknowledgement है वो नहीं है. So I think it is really time for I would say most of the brands in Pakistan to just take a step back and say, what do I stand for? And what do I want consumers to, what kind of relationship am I looking for with my customer? In the long term, not now, but in the long term. And how am I going to get there? What is that path that I have to follow? What are the 5 things I need to do in the next 3 years to get to that point?
And how do they break away from their pre-corona messaging and like their brand image and brand message into, way into the corona times that we
move forward.
That's true. Achha, Umar, there's a few people, some people that are joining us from banks. So उनके भी कुछ questions आए थे. There's some that are into project sales. कुछ हैं जिनके काम में कोई भी चीज close करने में a meeting is essential. In the middle or towards the end, a meeting is essential. So, and these are the people who cannot retort to social media even if they want to. So, what is your advice to people in personal selling jobs? And how do you think, since they have this time at hand these days, how they can use this time to better brand themselves? Because this doesn't seem to go away anytime.
Oh, आपने कितनी अच्छी बात की है सना. ये मेरे दिल के इतने करीब आपने बात की है ना कि मैं क्या बताऊं आपको. देखें, I've actually written a book on this subject on personal branding. It's called Building Brand You. This is the time when people are realizing कि भाई मुझे अपने आप को किसी तरीके से differentiate करना है. अब challenge क्या है? Challenge ये है कि market में अगर आप, if you look at people as commodities, ठीक है? And this is kind of a cold and economic way of looking at it, but look at people as commodities. Right now, there is an excess of supply in the market. करीम ने पिछले 4 महीनों में 700 लोग फायर किए हैं, right? Keep Trucking ने 400 लोग फायर किए हैं. बहुत सारी कंपनीज के हम स्टोरीज सुन रहे हैं. 2 महीने पहले I was outraged when a very large company, basically in the retail food space, fired all of its female staff in one day. People who had been with them for 9-10 years, एक दिन में उनको फायर किया.
Why females?
Because apparently they got a new investor on board who was a lady who said that women should not be working here. And so they decided to fire everyone, all the women, in one day. And I verified this myself. I got CVs from those people who had been laid off on 1 day's notice. No severance package, no nothing. Gee, Assalamu alaikum.
Brutal.
Absolutely. Now you've got excessive product supply and you've got demand for human resources going down. Right? So this is a terrible, terrible situation if you are one of those people who have been impacted. And if you're not one of those people who've been impacted, it's even worse, because now if you wanted to leave, you can't. So you're actually stuck, and you know you're stuck, and your employer knows you're stuck. So this is the time where you need to start differentiating yourself. Figure out what you as a brand, if you are a brand today, what does that mean? What are your values? What is your personality? And people think, हाँ जी मुझे पता है मेरी क्या personality है. आप थोड़ा बनाए ना, brand identity बनाए, अपनी brand positioning statement लिखें, and actually you will find that you are very, very similar to a lot of other people, the way you have framed it. So do the work. This is the time where actually you should figure out how you're going to create a brand for yourself, what that brand is going to stand for, and how you're going to bring that brand to life in the next 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 5 years. तो आपके जहन में एक प्लान होना चाहिए कि मैं अपने ब्रांड को कहाँ लेना जा रहा हूँ. Because I'm the CEO of my brand. I'm also the chief marketing officer, the chief financial officer, the chief logistics officer, the chief HR of, like I'm responsible for my own brand. एक जमाना था हमारे वालिदैन के जमाने में जब कंपनी आपका ख्याल रखती थी, जब लोग 40 साल एक कंपनी के साथ पहली जॉब उन्होंने ज्वाइन की यूनिवर्सिटी के बाद, और 40 साल के बाद वो वहां से रिटायर हुए. अब ऐसा नहीं है. अब हर साल कभी कभार जॉब चेंज करनी पड़ जाती है, मजबूरियां होती हैं.
तो सिर्फ पब्लिक सेक्टर में है ऐसा, और तो कहीं भी नहीं है.
जी पब्लिक सेक्टर की हम नहीं बात करेंगे आज. वो एक अलग डिस्कशन है. देखिए, दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन पीपल कैन go through a learning and development phase, figure out what skill sets you want to build. हजारों फ्री कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं. कोर्सेरा पे चले जाएं, लिंक्डइन लर्निंग पे चले जाएं, यूडेमी पे चले जाएं. 50,000 कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं मुफ्त के. 1 महीने का कोर्स है, 1 घंटे का कोर्स है, 6 महीने का कोर्स है, जो मर्जी है करें.
कुछ बहुत से लोग कर भी रहे हैं. I saw so many people who are online. कोई ना कोई कोर्स कर रहे हैं, कोई सेशंस अटेंड कर रहे हैं.
इट्स ब्रिलियंट, राइट? इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ब्रिलियंट. भाई आप ये देखें ना, अभी रात के 11 बज रहे हैं और 53 लोग हमारे साथ हैं. I hope they're not bored out of their minds. रमजान में बिल्कुल, it's and tomorrow is a working day for many people. अच्छा, लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट एक तरफ हो गया. दूसरी तरफ, दिस इज द टाइम फॉर यू टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट थॉट लीडरशिप. अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जरा स्कल्प्ट करें, कार्व आउट करें, क्रिएट करें और शेयर करें. लोग इतना हिचकिचाते हैं कि यार मैं लिखूंगा, लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे. अबे भाई, कोई नहीं मजाक उड़ाए. जो मजाक उड़ाने वाले हैं ना, उनको साइड पे करें. अपना वीडियो बनाओ, अच्छी सी कोई भी टॉपिक पकड़ो, अपनी मर्जी की टॉपिक पकड़ो, और उसके ऊपर 5 मिनट का वीडियो बना के अपलोड कर दो. लिंक्डइन पे डायरेक्ट अपलोड कर दो, और 4-5 लोगों को उसमें टैग कर दो जो उस फील्ड में काम करते हैं. एंड जस्ट सी हाउ योर influence on those platforms starts to go up. इस तरीके से आपका ब्रांड बनता है.
लोग वैसे ही ऑनलाइन है आजकल.
जी बिल्कुल,
people are online all the time.
भाई मैं तो ये कहता हूँ,
अपनी ऑनलाइन देखें टाइम कितना आपका फोन पे लग रहा है.
मैं लोगों को चैलेंज करता हूँ कि इस वक्त अगर दिन में 6 घंटे वो फेसबुक पे गुजार रहे हैं या 4 घंटे यूट्यूब पे गुजार रहे हैं, मुझे ये बताएं कि लिंक्डइन पे कितना टाइम गुजार रहे हैं. लिंक्डइन पे अगर So the first thing I check in the morning is LinkedIn, and the last thing I check at night is LinkedIn, and I check it probably 30 times a day in between, because LinkedIn is that platform that gives me information, gives me content, gives me connectivity to professionals, allows me to talk to people that I would otherwise never have access to. You know what I mean? So this is the time for you to build your own brand and then start communicating that brand through platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. प्लीज स्टॉप वेस्टिंग टाइम ऑन फेसबुक. यार दिमाग खराब करने वाली बात है. सुबह से रात तक चुगत किस्म की बातें आ रही होती हैं फेसबुक के ऊपर. मतलब बिल्कुल.
इंस्टाग्राम और टिकटॉक,
ओह अल्लाह,
गेम्स, दे आर सो एडिक्टिव. I see all these young people, students, सारे
गेम खेलें. मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ गेम ना खेलें. You need some creative time. मगर अगर आप 24 घंटे में से 8 घंटे गेम खेल रहे हैं तो there is something wrong.
ये डिसिप्लिन तो बहुत ही कम लोगों ने किया हुआ होता है ये वाला टाइम.
अच्छा, तीसरी चीज जो पर्सनल ब्रांड डेवलपमेंट, ये जो इस वक्त जो मौका है ना, ये एम्पैथी दिखाने का मौका है. एम्पैथाइज विद दोस पीपल हु हैव लॉस्ट अ जॉब. हेल्प देम. या कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो कम से कम लाइक तो लगा दें उनके पोस्ट के ऊपर, पोस्ट को शेयर कर दें, बंदे की प्रोफाइल कहीं पे लगवा दें, किसी को भिजवा दें, किसी से बात कर लें, उनको गाइड कर लें. अब आपने शुरू में जो मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था उसमें फाउंडर इंस्टीट्यूट की आपने बात की थी. For the last 7 months, me and my fellow directors, Abdul Basit and Iram Abbasi, we've been working at Founder Institute. We don't make any money from it. It's a free, it's a kare khair really from our part. Why? Because we believe that entrepreneurship in Pakistan needs to come up. And as you mentioned earlier, Founder Institute is the world's largest pre-seed accelerator. तो हमारा इंशाल्लाह इस संडे को अगले सैटरडे को इनफैक्ट पहले कोहोर्ट का ग्रेजुएशन है। तो 20-22 लोगों ने हमारे कोहोर्ट को ज्वाइन किया था। उसमें से 9 फाउंडर्स जो हैं ग्रेजुएट कर रहे हैं। 9 कंपनियां खड़ी हुई हैं इस कोरोना के दौरान। 9 people are so committed, so passionate about entrepreneurship that they have actually created a company based on the work that they did. It has been an incredible journey. And you see these people coming into this cohort thing, and 4 months later, literally 4 months later, they founded a company, they have set up, everything is done, and they're like, yes. And you know what? This is in the middle of Corona. तो अगर आप ये सोचें कि कोरोना के दौरान में गलतफहमी है, as we pointed out, there are so many areas where new needs are emerging every day. Every day, there's a new need coming out. So why not create a product or a service to fill that need? It's really it's quite something. So the opportunities are there. मैं आपसे ये कहूँगा कि आपने मेरी किताब पढ़नी है ना पढ़े कोई मसला नहीं है। किसी की किताब पढ़ लें, किसी के आर्टिकल पढ़ लें, मेरे आर्टिकल पढ़ लें। मैंने बहुत सारे आर्टिकल्स लिखे हुए हैं इस सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर, लिंक्डइन पे काफ़ी सारे मौजूद भी हैं। Learn about how to build your own brand. Even if you don't work in marketing, I promise you it's broken down in such simple language कि कोई भी, चाहे वो लॉजिस्टिक्स में काम करता हो या वो फाइनेंस में काम करता हो, एचआर में काम करता हो या करती हो, आपके लिए ये किताब लिखी गई है। बिकॉज the idea is that if you don't brand yourself, then you are replaceable. The day that you are fired, जब उनको नए बंदे की जरूरत होगी, वो कहेंगे यार इस बंदे जैसे 3 और ले आओ, and most probably वो आपसे कम तनख्वाह पे आके काम करने को तैयार हो जाएंगे, because नौकरी चाहिए। So create a brand for yourself. A brand is not replaceable. A brand stands for something. It has values, and people trust the brand. And that's why I think this question of yours was I think was very powerful, and I think should be helpful to a lot of people.
And then talking about replacement, it's not just another human being. There's machines also that are replacing you and are likely to replace you. So there's another, tangent to that altogether. But indeed, great advice for people. मेरा next question, I was thinking of asking you कि marketing के कुछ graduates हैं यहाँ पे जो हमें join कर रहे हैं, and graduates with fresh marketing degrees. So what advice would you have for them? Other than brand building के ऊपर काम करें और trying to sculpt their thought in what they want to do.
So if they're entering the marketing field, I would suggest don't become one of those marketing people that sits in an office. Be a marketer that goes out into the market. Go and talk to people who are your customers, whether they are your retail customer, your wholesale customer, or your end user. Invest in market research. Get to know things about the market that no one else knows. One of my favorite quotations is that consumer insight, if you know your customer better than your competition knows your customer, that's a source of competitive advantage for you, because you can then leverage that into a product or a service that your competition is not serving. So be one of those marketers that goes out into the field. When I started my career in the days of before many of you were born, I'm sure that are on this forum right now, in the early 90s, I spent probably 50% of my time in the field, visiting छोटे गांव, गधे गाड़ियों पे, ऊंट गाड़ियों पे, सुजुकी पिकअप के पीछे, सुजुकी पिकअप के ऊपर, just going to the market, talking to the distributors, because that way the knowledge that you gain cannot be replaced, cannot be found in books, and the reality of the market is very different than what you'll find in books. So if you can get a stint in sales, do a stint in sales. Go and spend 6 months, work in sales, work in trade marketing, work in retail marketing. Go out there into the field and get hands-on experience that'll make you a better and more well-rounded marketer.
Right. Jamal, let's take a few questions from the audiences जो कि अभी उन्होंने share करे हैं. Sure. Are you able to see the questions in chat?
Yeah, hold on.
Because we're just about 50 minutes into the conversation, so let's take a couple of questions.
Wow, that's a lot of
If
questions.
your time allows, yeah. They've been pouring in
So,
while we were talking. So, um,
suggestions for
starting the new
micro
business.
businesses. Can you share the name
Yes.
of the, okay, Founder Institute, clothing industry. Acha ji. Um, so the clothing industry in Pakistan is a very interesting one, right? We have made our name in textile. We are a global exporter of textiles, and we have been very happy in selling T-shirts for $1, right? But the brand that buys the T-shirt from us, um, so a friend of mine went to the CIA store in Virginia, actually the dukan inside the CIA headquarters, and he found a T-shirt. He wanted to buy a CIA T-shirt, and he picked it up, and it said "Made in Pakistan," and you know it was for $29.99, and we probably sold it to them for $1. So हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि हम बल्क में काम करना पसंद करते हैं कि यार $1 बना लो एक पेयर ऑफ जीन्स पे बहुत है, $1 की टी शर्ट पे बेच दो बहुत है. हम अभी ब्रांड्स नहीं बनाते हैं, हम कभी भी लॉन्ग टर्म का नहीं सोचते हैं. आइकिया हमसे लाखों करोड़ों डॉलर का सामान खरीदता है हर साल. IKEA from Pakistan buys hundreds of millions of dollars worth of curtains, bed linen, bed sheets, pillow covers. All of that stuff comes from Pakistan. Can you imagine? But Pakistan का मुझे एक ब्रांड बता दें जो ग्लोबल जा चुका है. Please don't say Khadi. Khadi is a great brand, but you know, opening a store in New York does not make you a global brand. They have a long way to go. I think they have the potential to become a global brand, but they're a long, long way from it now. Name one brand from Pakistan that has gone global. एक बता दें. I'm really sorry, the clothing industry has not invested in innovation, has not invested in design. They've not invested in going online. अभी जो पूरी पूरी इंडस्ट्री जो है वो ऑनलाइन बिक रही है, मगर इतना बुरा यूएक्स होता है फॉर द मोस्ट पार्ट. आपके पास चॉइसेस नहीं होते हैं. जो खादी की दुकान के अंदर जो आपको रेंज मिलता है वो आपको ऑनलाइन नहीं मिलेगा. You get a very limited range. It's the same with all of them. You don't have a choice. You don't have virtual reality apps where you know someone can virtually try on that joda and see how they look. But there are
Yeah, that's
hundreds of
happening
stores,
in developed economies.
right? So there are hundreds of stores in the US, in the UK, where you can click on a gown, or you know the camera is on, and you can see how that looks on you.
Because the question
Right?
is कि ये मेरे पे कैसा लगेगा, उस वजह से लोग discourage हो जाते हैं लेने से.
Exactly. तो साथ साथ आप देखें ई कॉमर्स जो है ना बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रो कर रही है पाकिस्तान में बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना, विच इज़ ग्रेट. इवेंचुअली एक ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होगा, इवेंचुअली लोग ऑनलाइन आएंगे और इवेंचुअली ये इंडस्ट्री इंशाल्लाह ग्रो करेगी. दराज, टेलीमार्ट, बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स बहुत अच्छे पैमाने पे अब काम कर रहे हैं, मगर उनकी पेनिट्रेशन अभी भी लिमिटेड है बाय द नंबर ऑफ people who are actually on the internet, right?
I was going through the questions. Most of the questions that have been asked, uska jo, a lot has been covered in the conversation that we had. There's one question by Mr. Naveed Ansari. He asked about how does one survive when one is in the manufacturing sector of consumer durables, you know, or office automation products when you can't produce due to lockdown. So limited stocks would lead to, you know, reduced prices, and you know you're likely to hit the bottom sooner.
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है. देखें, consumer durables are just another product category. If someone says कि यार I can't build a brand or I can't build brand affinity in consumer durables, I think that's a little bit mistaken. There are people who have built brands for cement, not in Pakistan unfortunately, but in India and other parts of the world, there are brands for literally cement. आटा, चावल, दाल, अगर ये चीज़ें ब्रांड हो सकती हैं तो कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल्स के लिए जो अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे दिखती है वो ये है. दिस इज़ द टाइम, दिस इज़ अ बिग टिकट आइटम. ठीक है, रियलिटी ये है कि रिसेशन अगर आ गया है तो बिग टिकट आइटम्स नहीं बिकेंगे, गाड़ियाँ कम बिकेंगी, घरों के ट्रांजैक्शन कम होंगे, फ्रिज, बड़े टीवी, ये सब चीज़ें कम बिकेंगी. दिस इज़ अ रियलिटी. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, there is a way to create demand for existing brands. You can run engagement building activities through digital. Engage with, देखें आपको customer base तो आपके पास है ना. You know who your customers are, at least you should know who they are. आपके पास उनकी पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए. You should have consumer profiles. You should be talking to those people on a daily basis because consumer durables का purchase impulse purchase नहीं होता है. This is the people when they are getting ready. अभी देखें ईद आ रही है. ईद के वक्त तो लोग फ्रिज लेते हैं, फ्रीजर लेते हैं, एसी लेते हैं, क्योंकि घरों पे अगर मेहमान आएंगे तो एसी वो पुराना वाला नहीं चलेगा. एनर्जी एफिशिएंट जो एसीज होते हैं उनकी तो डिमांड का टाइम है ये. फ्रिज फ्रीजर का टाइम है ये. अभी 2 महीने के बाद बड़ी ईद भी आ रही है, उसमें गोश्त बढ़ता है. there are opportunities. So you need to have a digital marketing program that builds a funnel that brings people in from an awareness level to a consideration level to an oh yes I'm interested level to now I'm looking for a fridge to buy. And at that moment of truth, how are you talking to them? Is your search engine marketing optimized? Is your website properly optimized? Are you talking to your customers in an engaging and friendly way? Do you have excellent customer service? What kind of an experience do people have when they go to the shop or when they shop online? Is there a way that you can partner with Daraz maybe or partner with Telemart and say, चलें जी 5% हम देते हैं, 5% आप खाएं, और let's do a big promotion linked to Eid. सब करने को तैयार होंगे. So there's always a way. It needs a proper thought process. थोड़ी सी strategic thinking ले, अपने brand की values को लेकर execute करें. Don't forget the brand values. Don't run after discounts because 30% off दे देने का मतलब क्या है? बंदा कहेगा यार क्यों 30% ऑफ दे रहे हैं, या 50% ऑफ भी मैंने देखा है. 50% ऑफ का मतलब है ये माल पुराना है. जो ट्रस्ट की आप बात कर रहे हैं ना, आज अगर आपने बेच भी दिया 50% ऑफ पे, जब आप रेगुलर प्राइस पे वापस जाएंगे लोग कहेंगे नहीं नहीं यार वेट करो, ये आएगा 50% पे, और 1 महीने के बाद आपको फिर 50% देना पड़ेगा.
So प्राइस
जी जी बिल्कुल. There are people who are actually waiting for promotions to promote. Maybe you can do a cross promotion with a bank. आजकल बैंक्स क्रेडिट कार्ड्स के ऊपर कितने प्रमोशंस दे रहे हैं, या आप करीम के साथ मिलके कोई प्रमोशन कर लें, जो है ना आप गिफ्ट दे दें, बट उसकी वजह से हमें वर्ड ऑफ माउथ मिल जाएगा. we're doing something interesting and fun in Gujranwala. Maybe look at those markets जहाँ पे the cost of doing business is not that high, मगर potential है. So maybe look at सियालकोट, गुजरांवाला, फैसलाबाद, मुल्तान. ये वो शहर हैं जहाँ पे पैसा है, और वहाँ पे मार्केटिंग हम लोग इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाते हैं बिकॉज हम कहते हैं यार कराची, लाहौर, इस्लामाबाद में करना है, तो KLI के आगे हम बाहर निकलते ही नहीं है. या तो हम नेशनल टेलीविजन करेंगे या हम KLI करेंगे. अरे भाई बाकी पाकिस्तान भी है, हैदराबाद है, सक्खर है, कोयटा है, जाके इन शहरों में ट्राई करें. Maybe there's a way that you can boost sales by doing small creative things. So there's always a way.
Let's just take one last question if your time allows.
Sure.
Because this one was standing out from the rest, because this one is talking about micro businesses in the current time, and what advice would you have for them? It's by Mr. Uwais Sheikh, who's joining us right now.
Sorry, can you read the question again?
Suggestions any suggestions for micro businesses in the current time?
ओहो भाई, अपने इलाके में होम डिलीवरी शुरू कर दें यार. एक छोटा सा ऐप बना लें और या फ्लायर बांट दें घरों में, और कह दें कि भाई अगर आपको कुछ भी मंगवाना हो इस नंबर पे कॉल करें, हम 10 मिनट में ले आएंगे. That's a micro business right there.
Right.
दूसरा, आप ग्रोसरी डिलीवरी एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए, एक यूसी के लिए ले लें ताकि आपको यूसी से बाहर ना निकलना. आप पिक एंड ड्रॉप सर्विस, क्योंकि अभी करीम तो मतलब
बाइकिया ने
हो गया, जो एग्जैक्टली जो बाइकिया ने किया है, राइट. आई डोंट नो व्हाट अबाउट माइक्रो लोन्स, जो कमेटी का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है कि जी आप आपके महल्ले में आप माइक्रो लोन्स, अगर आपके पास पैसे हैं तो 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 जो छोटे छोटे लोन्स होते हैं उसके अंदर आप आ जाएं. माइक्रो फाइनेंस, these are personal loans. इसके लिए आपको कोई मतलब स्टेट बैंक की लाइसेंस वगैरह तो नहीं चाहिए. So it's there are opportunities around us, and 5 of them right now as well. There are a lot of people who are thinking about a lot of things. मिलके बात करें. Again, Founder Institute is a great platform to just, I mean, we had founders who joined us with one idea, and actually 4 months later the idea had turned into something else entirely.
Right. So I think let's still pouring it, but in the interest of time, let's just wrap up the discussion. And I'd like to thank Umar for the fantastic advice. I'm sure the audience has really benefited from it, और उनके काफी सारे questions इसमें हो गए answered. And indeed, one can only hope and use marketing to tread these waters until better times. So, कोई भी
if I can just say one final thing, the definition of marketing is not advertising, right? Advertising is just one piece of marketing. Marketing starts with understanding consumer needs and then developing products and services to fulfill those needs at the right price, at the right place, for the right consumer. सही है ना? तो अगर हम needs analysis से शुरू करें, there are so many opportunities. Needs are evolving. This is an incredible time to reevaluate what your brand stands for. And if you haven't done that, then this would be a great time to start that exercise.
Right. And also, like you shared, it's important to empathize and, anticipate communication needs and be sensitive to the scenario. And of course, leverage technology to your advantage. जैसे भी आपने कहा कि अगर कोई small business भी है, तो अगर और किसी एक area को cater करें और delivery के लिए, because
नहीं आप भले आप do it old school, leaflet बना के photocopy करके बांट दें. You don't have to create an app. Maybe the app is the next step. Just do it, the old-fashioned way.
Right.
So there are opportunities.
So essentially, for a lot of marketers, this would mean do things differently than what you had originally planned. Try new things, test them out. Some would work, some won't. But at least you're testing things out and learning from your experiences. And it's a perfect time to start something new for a lot of people also.
Absolutely. So if your whole target market, if this is your target market, and इनको आपने बड़े ज़बरदस्त तरीके से identify किया हुआ था, and your messaging was focused on their needs and all of that. Now this target market is all of a sudden doing this. How can your messaging remain the same? How can the way you talk to people remain the same? It makes no sense. You have to figure out what this is and start speaking to people again from a different point of view. Absolutely.
Right. So a huge thank you, Umar, for joining us and taking out the time. If we had more time, or if you can spare a few minutes, I'd be really interested to know the few projects by the Founder Institute that have been recently launched, because that really piqued my interest. If you want to share.
Yeah, sure. जो मुझे 2-3 off the top of my head याद आ रहे हैं. There's one company which is launching, or actually has launched, something which helps distribution companies manage distribution. So it's called Sales Enhance or something like that, where the idea is कि अगर आपके 100 salesmen हैं, उनके पास आपका app है, you can monitor them, you can provide them with their route map, where they have to go, किस दुकान पे क्या बेचना है, उसने last time क्या order दिया था, पूरी details, and it's live. So the salesman walks into a shop and you know exactly what's in the shop, you know what he has to sell. If he's not able to sell, then what is the problem? So that's one product that's launched. Another product that's launched is called Energizer, where basically someone is helping people electricity bill, the cost of power in an institution. And बिजली की bill आपको पता है ये summer के months आ रहे हैं, so they actually go in. They go in and they do a full audit, and then they give you guidance on how to implement different things to reduce. An online directory that is talking to CPEC related businesses. There's another one called GoSpark. There is,
and this is all about young people, university students or youth that has come to you with ideas, and you help them transform.
So these are not just university students. We have people who actually, our oldest participant is in his early 50s, and our youngest participant is probably 22, 23 years old. So there's no age limit. It's, in fact, we found that university students are quite hesitant to start businesses because उनकी पूरी training जो है वो चल रही है to find a career in their chosen path. वो तो बस जॉब की तरफ मतलब गामजन होते हैं. और हमारे यहाँ ये कल्चरल एक मसला है कि अगर आप माँ बाप को जाके बोलें कि जी अब्बू जी मैं तो धंधा करने जा रहा हूँ, तो अब्बू जी बोलेंगे बात सुनो मैंने इतने पैसे क्यों लगाए तुम्हारे यूनिवर्सिटी की डिग्री में, दिमाग खराब है, चल नौकरी के ऊपर. So there's actually a real challenge from a cultural standpoint as well. But you know, when you have amazing success stories like Kareem 3.1 billion, फलाना 800 million, फलाना 600 million, फिर लोग कहते हैं अच्छा इस बंदे ने तो बड़े पैसे बनाए हैं. उसके बाद एक और कंपनी हमारी तरफ से बनी है called the Right Careers. So this is a person who's actually helping university students and college students take an online assessment, and which is predictive and helps them to identify what career they're actually likely to be more successful in. You know, so माशाल्लाह से बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव लोग हैं पाकिस्तानी. हमारी कौम बहुत क्रिएटिव है, बहुत जुगाड़ू है. और ये जो माहौल है ना, ये जो पेंडेमिक का माहौल है, ये जुगाड़ू माहौल है. We need to be able to do stuff with जुगाड़. So this mahal is actually an environment in which Pakistanis thrive. We are brilliant at this. We're brilliant at putting stuff together, bootstrapping it and just doing it. You know, तो इसी तरीके से mashallah say there's a total of 9 companies that have been founded. We are actually going to be recruiting for our next cohort, which will inshallah start in September. So we are going to start the recruitment process for that in July. So अगर कोई interested हो तो please stay in touch. It's called the Founder Institute. Please send us your queries, and you know we'd love to have you on board when the next cohort starts, inshallah.
Sure, interesting. अच्छा, इसी तरह के टेक एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की जो सक्सेस स्टोरीज हैं, इससे बड़े लोग इंस्पायर हुए हैं टुवर्ड्स टेक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. सो आई थिंक थोड़ा करके माइंडसेट चेंज हो रहा है. ऑफ कोर्स देयर बेबी स्टेप्स इन दैट डायरेक्शन, बट थोड़ा माइंडसेट हो रहा है फिर भी लोगों का चेंज.
इंशाल्लाह. देखें, ये पाकिस्तान बहुत बड़ा मुल्क है, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हैं इस वक्त. इफ़ यू लुक एट द पॉपुलेशन दैट्स बिटवीन 15 and 25, that's probably 60 million people. That's more than, you know, that's about the population of one of the largest countries in Europe. Right? ये हमारी 15 to 25 की कौम है, जिसने आके अभी जो है ना कहना अच्छा भाई मैं आ गया हूँ, अब मैं क्या करूँ, कोई जॉब करूँ, करियर करूँ, कुछ शुरू करूँ, क्या करूँ, मुझे कुछ तो करना है. Because you know I'm young, I'm energetic, I have to do something. And if you don't give them something to do, if you don't get them to start thinking about their life in a different way, there are not enough jobs for 60 million people in Pakistan. ऐसा है ही नहीं. So we need to look at the world differently.
All the more need for entrepreneurial ideas in
Absolutely.
every direction. In every
Absolutely.
direction possible.
Absolutely.
True. So yeah, on this note, I think let's wrap up the discussion. We've taken more of your time than we said we would.
Oh, this was a very, very interesting discussion, and I hope that people enjoyed it as well. And mashallah se sawal bahut zyada aaye the. I apologize we could not answer all the questions. I am available on LinkedIn, so if anyone would like to connect with me on LinkedIn, please do, and send me your questions there. I can't promise to reply within 1 minute, but I will really try my best to respond to you over the next few days. So please do connect, and if there's anything that I can help you with, we are a very resilient Pakistan. We're a very resilient country. So हमारा hashtag, green rising होना चाहिए, resilient Pakistan होना चाहिए. Use these hashtags. Be proud of being Pakistani. Alhamdulillah, I think we're going to come out of Corona very strongly, and we're going to be rocking and rolling into the next 5-10 years, inshallah. So, Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad. Thanks so much for the generous offer, and this is the time to be all the more generous in offering, and I truly appreciate the generous offer that you made to our audiences. And I'd like to thank our audiences for joining us today. A huge thank you to all of them. A couple of announcements before we sign off. This is our last episode before Eid. Because next Sunday is falling on Akhri Ashre Mein Pade, so we'll do the next episode after Eid, and it'll be on how to manage your finances and money matters in the Corona times. So do write to us if there's a topic that you would want us to cover, and we'd be really happy to do a session on that. And thank you again, once again, Umar, for joining us. A huge thank you to the audiences also, and have a great Seri. Have a great Roza, great Ramzan, Eid Mubarak in advance, and Allah Hafiz.
Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you. Khuda Hafiz. Thank you.